think the monkey will catch the ball? Look, he's trying to catch the ball. Ready? Ready, monkey? Catch. Look. He's gonna catch it. Oh no, he missed. Look at him, he's silly. Oh no, monkey. Ready? Catch. Oh, so close. He almost had it. Look. Oh. Is he getting me or what?
Sometimes it jumps down.
That was silly monkey.
Impulsive.
Your baby thinks it's fun too?
Makes it to the ground and then gets really confused because he knows, feels like he's not supposed to be on the ground, right?
Look at him go. Your baby thinks it's fun. Look at him. Wow. Look at him, he's hiding. Whoa, boy.
This is one of our little games.
Really?
I'll play with it.
You almost got it, didn't you? You almost caught it. This is like a lap or what? You like it when he runs, don't you?
Right?
Watch him catch it. Got me, didn't he? That's so funny. You see him, he's silly monkey, ain't he?
Silly monkey.
Yeah, it is.
Silly monkey.
Who's that?
My dad, Dobby.
Oh, okay.
Boo, are you excited? We got you a special treat. Some corn tortillas with cheese and fresh cilantro. And we've made Boo some mini monkey quesadillas. You gonna eat them? Look. What is it, Boo? Taste it. Ooh, is it good? You never had that before. Is it good? You're going after the cheese, ain't you? Yeah. that good stuff? You like it? Take my hand. Good boy.
Extra veggies depending on how many people you are trying to serve. This right here actually made about 5 decently sized bread bowls. So it filled up the bread bowls, the bread filled up the tummies. Nice, easy budget meal right here. And then I am gonna add in just a splash of milk just because I had some. I don't think it's totally necessary. If you had some heavy whipping cream or even probably a little bit of cream cheese would have worked well in this. And we are just gonna simmer this on low for a couple hours just to keep it nice and warm. I think we simmered this for about an hour and a half-ish. And the next step with the bread, I've got my helper here, Xylee. She's in her sky Halloween costume from last year. But I've got my egg whites and water, and we are just going to brush down those bread bowls. It's a great way to have your kids help in the kitchen without making a huge mess. She did a pretty good job. Now this part is not on the recipe, but I personally enjoy flavored bread. So I brought out the garlic salt and the black pepper. And after Xylee has egg washed them, we are just gonna sprinkle some of this on top, and it made the bread so delicious to have just that little bit of extra punch to it. You could use any seasoning you like.
Is it good? You like it? Oh, he's a good boy. What is it? What is it, Boo? What is it? You gonna get it? What is that? You're not a guard monkey. Let's see your muscles. Oh, yeah.
The monkey.
Oh, whoa. Is that Ollie?
Yeah?
Look at him go. Look at him. He's giving me kisses. Where's he going? What's he doing? Look at him. He's showing me his ball.
Bob?
Yeah. Look. Catch. Oh, so close. That was so close. Wow. Where's he going?
Get out, man.
Davy.
You see him? Silly monkey, huh? Look at him go. Watch. Boing. Ready? That was funny for you? Ding, 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 ding.
Baby.
You see the monkey? Watch him. Watch him. Catch. Uh-oh. She loves to watch him jump around.
Like, oh, it's coming.